Bougainvillea in pots can completely transform even a small balcony or patio into a vibrant tropical corner filled with color. If you want a flowering plant that thrives in heat, loves neglect, and blooms for months, this is one of the smartest choices you can grow. Bougainvillea is actually prized not just for its flowers, but for its colorful, paper-like bracts that appear almost year-round in warm climates. When grown in containers, it stays manageable, easy to move, and perfect for urban gardeners with limited space. Bougainvillea in containers thrives best when slightly root-bound, so choosing the right pot size is very important. Start young plants in 8-10-inch pots, then gradually shift to 16-18-inch containers as they mature. Always use a pot with excellent drainage. This plant hates sitting in water. Bougainvillea prefers soil that dries quickly and drains fast. A perfect mix is garden soil, cocoa coir or peat, and coarse sand or perlite. This prevents root rot and keeps roots healthy. Water only when the topsoil feels dry. Overwatering is the most common reason Bougainvillea stops blooming. Bougainvillea blooms only when it receives strong, direct sunlight. Give it at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun daily. More sun always means more flowers. If your plant has many leaves but few blooms, the cause is almost always insufficient sunlight. Bougainvillea is naturally a climbing shrub, so providing support helps it grow fuller and flower better. Use a trellis, railing, or stake to guide the branches. This also keeps the plant neat and visually attractive in pots. Bougainvillea responds beautifully to pruning. After each flowering cycle, trim back long or unruly shoots. This stimulates branching and creates more bloom points. Hard pruning in late winter or early spring keeps the plant compact and dense in containers. Bougainvillea is not a heavy feeder, but balanced nutrition improves flowering. Use a balanced fertilizer like the 10th of October, 2010 or 2, 02, 02, 0 once, every 3-4 weeks during the growing season. Avoid excess nitrogen. Too much feeding leads to leaves instead of flowers. Bougainvillea loves warmth and thrives between 15 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. If temperatures drop below 10 degrees Celsius, container plants can be moved to a sunny, protected area, one of the biggest advantages of growing in pots. Bougainvillea is naturally hardy but may occasionally attract mealybugs, scale, or spider mites. Regular inspection and a mild soap spray or neem oil treatment keeps pests under control. Always avoid wetting the foliage frequently to prevent fungal problems. Bougainvillea in pots adds height, color, and structure to patios, balconies, and terraces. It pairs beautifully with palms, crotons, and other tropical plants to create a lush, layered garden look. Bougainvillea in containers is truly a low-maintenance, high-impact flowering plant. With sun, light watering, and occasional pruning, it rewards you with spectacular blooms for years. If you love flowering container plants like this, subscribe for more balcony garden ideas and practical plant care tips. Happy gardening!